Hey guys, welcome back. A new update is rolling out for OnePlus 7 and 7T series, which is for the beta channel. If you are running open beta on your device, you should receive it via OTA update. The update is rolling out in batches. Here you can see I am running open beta 17 and I have not received the update via system update section. So you can download the file from the description below for your device and then place the file inside the internal storage. Avoid placing it inside any of the folders. The update size for OnePlus 7 Pro is 238 MB. Once you have placed it inside the internal storage, go to System Update, tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner, select Local Upgrade and you can choose the file. Installation might take around 3 to 4 minutes. Once installation process is completed, you can reboot your device. So device have been successfully booted up. Let me show you the software information by going inside the settings, about section. Here you can see this is my OnePlus 7 Pro which is now running on the beta channel and we have the latest version which is Open Beta 18. Android version is Android 10. With this latest beta we have got the 1st September 2020 security patch. Basically with this update OnePlus have not added much of new features. Few bug fixes and optimizations have been done. If you are part of beta program for launcher, you should have launcher version as 4.7.3 in which they have included OnePlus Scout feature. I made a dedicated video on that. Link of that can be found in the description below. Talking about the changelogs, here we have changelogs related to system, game space and community. First one under system, it says fix the known issues with screen recorder. After the update, screen recorder version is 2.4 and with this update they have done few fixes. I have never faced any kind of issues related to screen recording. If you guys have ever faced, let me know in the comment section below. After that they have fixed the issue that notification bar did not respond occasionally. Yes, this was a bug but that has been fixed now. And I don't find any kind of issues related to notification bar. And later they have updated security patch to 1st September 2020 along with Google Mobile Services which have been updated to 1st August 2020. After that, talking about the next changelog which is related to game space, and this feature was recently added on OnePlus 8 series and now it's available for OnePlus 7 series also. In GameSpace app, they have added the new gaming toolbox for convenient switch off Fanatic mode, newly added quick reply feature in small window for WhatsApp and other messaging services, and then they have added the mistouch prevention feature. So let's open up GameSpace application. For this also we have a dedicated video going inside setting, and here you can see an option to enable new gaming toolbox and later another feature in which you can avoid mistouch that can also be enabled from the game space. And now let's launch a game and show you how does it work. So when you launch any game, you can swipe from the notification panel which will give you options like directly enable Fanatic mode and notification type which can be completely blocked, head-up notification or text only. Then we have option for mistouch prevention and a screen recorder option if you have any messaging service installed like WhatsApp, and then that option can also be found here in this gaming toolbox. You can continuously monitor your device temperature and battery percentage. It's a quite helpful feature for gamers. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And talking about the last changelog which is related to community, in which they have done few changes in which you can mark others answers as best answers, and a mall function have been added from where you can buy your products. Later optimize the log information capture function. So inside the community app now we get option to buy all OnePlus products. So guys, these were few changes and new additions done with OnePlus 7 series. Now let's talk about the benchmark results. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 759 and multi-core have scored 2767. With Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 4,73,695. So guys, this was a quick look on latest update for OnePlus 7 series. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.